powerful it is. So that's just the slowest speed, right? And originally these were just made to run on one speed, and that's high speed, which I'm gonna show in a little bit. So medium speed on this is just like any high speed on a conventional fan. And it's actually because it has like a small K55 that produces. All right, ready? Here's high. Do you know how much airflow this was meant to produce? 27,000 cubic feet of it. Average fan produces around 6,000, 5,000. But that's how powerful this thing is.
Amazing.
Yeah. So I'm gonna tone it down a little.